up, everybody? Welcome back to TeeDogCustoms and to another video. If you're new to this channel, basically what I do is I've got a come and swap Jeep that I built on the channel. I also have 99 F350 with the 7.3 diesel, and I just kind of do a whole bunch of stuff myself. Everything that I've done on this Jeep is done by me or a friend of mine who's helped me do something. So that's basically it. I won't bore you guys right now with showing you everything, but I am currently headed to a Jeep event. All right, guys, so we got blowing money already cleaned up. Door. Look at that. Woo! She's ready. Make sure got that one closed. Yeah, that kind of stinks. Oh well. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the event because I'm not good at recording while driving. We made it to the event. I'm gonna show a few, go walk around and show some footage of the actual Jeeps, but before I do that, I'm gonna go and get some aerial footage, hopefully, and see what we can get drone wise, and we'll go from there. here. This is the Jeep that won Best Modified, and it really deserves it. It's got a lot of stuff, supercharger, and look at this thing, just crazy cool. So shout out to that. I didn't come away with anything today. Shortly I'm gonna be leaving because I've got to go pick up a transfer case for the Jeep. Found it on Marketplace for a steal of a deal. So I feel like that is that's the best route to go. So I'm gonna do that here shortly.